Hey guys, it's Miss Braza here. Today I'm going to be explaining to you how you will be completing your math lesson through this PowerPoint. I want you guys to remember you're only doing one lesson per day from the PowerPoint, so you should only be doing this math lesson one day this week. So it could be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whichever day you want to do it, but you only need to do one. So for this week's math lesson, our learning target is I can add numbers 0 through 5 quickly in my head. I can use a tens frame to add two numbers together. Now, I just read that to you. If you need someone else to read it to you, you can ask an adult at your house, your brothers and sisters. If not, I just read it for you, so those will be our learning targets. Once you get to your math lesson, you will watch this video by Jack Hartman, and it's just a fun fact, fluency to 5, which we've all seen in class. I need you guys to be careful when watching YouTube. If you see any ads, just skip them. We don't need them. Once you're done watching that video, you're going to click this link right here, and it's me. This is your video, and I will be showing you how to use the interactive tens frame. And what you will do is you will write your answers on a piece of paper or whatever you may have at home, and you will email a picture of your paper to your teacher. That's me, or Miss Warren or Miss McGuire. So you will come to your interactive tens frame. Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me go back really quick. The next slide shows you what you will be adding. So we have 5 plus 5, 4 plus 5, 3 plus 5, and so on. We got 10 plus 0. Do not let that trick you guys. This is the interactive tens frame. So what you will do is you can write these down on the piece of paper and have it ready. So let me write mine down really quick so I don't have to go back and forth. So I know I need 5 plus 5, and let's do 2 plus 5. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do 2 of them, and you guys will do the rest. So I want to do 5 plus 5. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow chips plus 5. So I'm going to do 5 red chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know for sure Miss Braza's class, and I'm sure Miss Warren and Miss McGuire's class knows this, but when you see a full tens frame, friends, are we going to go back and count every single chip? I hope you're all answering no. I wish I could hear you all answering no. No, we don't have to, because we know if we have a full tens frame, we have a total of, drum roll, 10 chips. So you guys should, in your paper, so I'm going to go ahead and write, I got 5 plus 5 equals 10. I'm done writing mine, so I'm going to restart again. 5 red chips, 5 yellow chips. This is just a fun way for you guys to move around with your math and stuff. If you want to use your other strategies, if you want to use your fingers to do 5 plus 5, if you want to count on, and if you were doing 5 plus 5, you would count on from 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can use as many strategies as you want, but we wanted to add something fun for you guys. So let's do 2 plus 5. So I got 2 yellow chips, 1, 2, and 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I have 2 and 5 more, so I'm going to use my strategy of counting on. So I'm going to count on from my bigger number. I have 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 7, or look, there I go messing up again. 5 plus 2 equals 7, so I'm going to write that down on my paper. And I am done, so I'm going to pretend like I'm going to take a little picture right here of my paper. And then I'm going to email it to my teacher. But I don't really have a teacher, but I'm just explaining for you guys. So you would do the rest of the problems on your paper, take a picture, and email it to Miss McGuire, Miss Warren, or Miss Braza. That's it for you guys' math lesson. I know you guys got it. This week we're just doing some review, so you guys should be able to knock it out, because you guys are so smart, so awesome. I hope you guys enjoy this video and you find it helpful, and I love you so much. Can't wait to see your guys' math problems.